The camera's all set up 360 degrees, and you can rotate to the angle you need and change to the screen size of different modes of each of the cameras. When the camera is off, we have the radar sensor and the meter control, and it'll detect about 5 meters if anybody walks in the radius of the camera's view. G-shock, parking, walk away, come back, runs off the battery of the unit, and when the battery of the car gets low, the unit will shut down and stop operation until the battery reaches the correct unit and replenish. The G-force, if you tap the car or motion, it will detect video. With the radar sensor, walking near the car would trigger the information on the side, 360 degrees. When mounting your dash cam, please mount it at the highest part of the car so you can look up and down on the angle. Looking at the dash cam from a lower perspective, you'll get to see what the forward cam looks like. And then pressing to the side, you get to see the side and adjust, as well as the opposite side, the right-hand side, and then adjust down. You can't see this. You can't see this. You can't see this. If you're looking for a dash camera for your car, multi-channel, wireless camera for the front, hooked up to a radar with the power to the OBD2 reader, as well as a rear camera, we're going to open up this box, demonstrate, and show you what this product is about. As we open up the package and show you how nicely things are boxed. Laid on top is your product, the camera. We have the camera, the 4-channel camera, 3 cameras, self-adhesive included as a spare to place on. They're rotatable, adjustable, and pivoted. With the power SD card, camera backup, and reset button, with the wide angle screen, with button controls. We have the radar and the OBD module with 2 self-adhesives that goes on the back of the radar that's adjustable to your window, with enough cable to run the OBD to the plug, to the camera, and enough cable to run to the rear of the window and or license plate, with the reverse power lead and cable connection with the installation kit of 2 screws and foam. The application in multi-language with the app of Vidor to aid your camera via the smartphone or run manually. For further and additional information about the product, please check the manual and or online information. Please remove all film stickers off of the product. With the supplied SDXC card, please place in correctly with the face of the unit and the gold pins towards the back. As we plug in the camera to the unit, we are demonstrating and testing the unit out. We have a red light for charging. We are plugged into 3 volts with the 5-volt cable of a 12-volt system. Briefly going over the unit with the center button turning on to the logo and to the 4 camera setup. The top half will be left side front, right side rear camera, bottom left, bottom right. With the radar module of 1 meter to 3 meters will sense detection around the car when powered off. For all the buttons and controls and descriptions, please refer to the manual. The right-hand button will show you 13 different modes of the cameras. As we scroll through quickly, you can see all 13 different modes. The front camera, the rear camera, the side cameras, the front with the rear, and so forth. The second button next to the right is night vision. Night vision off, night vision on. As you can see, the information provided and off. As we have a red bullet and information on the side, as we hit the center, which is the on and off, a short press puts the camera on, screen off. After the power short press screen off, this is to start and stop and lock your video. And then this is the OK button. This is your mode button, your power button, your up button, and your down button. We're going to go into the mode button, and we can set up our camera and change different types of resolutions, loop recording, exposure by going with the buttons over here. As we scroll down, we have Wi-Fi, resolution, loop recording, exposure, motion detection, record audio, date stamp, G-sensor, and back to Wi-Fi. Hitting the OK button turns on and off the Wi-Fi selection area, and going down to the on and hitting OK to turn Wi-Fi on and scan the QR symbol. Add camera, allow while using app, find on the network, and wait. Place your unit by the information provided, allow Bluetooth, connect to Wi-Fi. Open up your Wi-Fi and follow the information to connect your device. In the manual is all the information you need on page 9 to add in. Press on Add Camera again, and we are connected. We could pause, take a picture, go to the camera files, go to the camera settings. On top is video and general. We could rotate our picture, we could record audio, we could switch the screens and take a photo. These are just some of the things you could do with the application. The main screen turns off while the app is used. We have a blue for off, red for on. Please reset your camera to go back to the main screen. This is a wireless camera on the go that you could take out of the car, place in the car without the rear camera or power hooked up or the radar, and have your shots. The radar and module for running external power and additional use can be ran. We're going to demonstrate only and demonstrate showing at the car.